Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best glasses cloth is probably one of the most underrated accessories in your everyday life. We all have glasses, and we all know the struggle of smudges, streaks, and dust. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we're diving deep into the world of glasses cloths, testing different materials, sizes, and cleaning capabilities to find the perfect one for you. Number 5. MagicFiber Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the ultimate cleaning solution. It's designed to gently and effectively clean a variety of surfaces, leaving them spotless and streak-free. Made from premium microfiber, it effortlessly absorbs and removes dust, oil, smudges, and fingerprints. This cloth ensures a pristine clean without leaving any scratches or lint behind. Whether it's your glasses, phone, laptop, or TV, this cloth is perfect for all your screen cleaning needs. It's versatile and safe for delicate surfaces. Each cloth comes in its own poly bag, ensuring it's always ready to use. This pack includes 6 cloths, ready to tackle any cleaning task. From your glasses to your car, this cloth is designed for all products. It's the perfect solution for keeping your belongings clean and protected. Get magical results for the things you care about most. This cloth will help you maintain the clarity and cleanliness of your items. What we like. This cloth is designed for all your cleaning needs. It comes in individual packaging, ensuring it's always ready to use. If you have multiple devices or surfaces to clean, this is the perfect choice, as it is safe to use on almost anything. What people say. The cloth is very soft and does not scratch the lenses. It cleans the glasses very well and leaves no streaks. The size is perfect for cleaning glasses and sunglasses. Number 4. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloth, 6-pack. This is the best-in-class microfiber cleaning cloth. It's meticulously crafted from Japanese woven fabric. It effortlessly absorbs dirt and oil, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Not all microfiber cloths are the same. This one is engineered from ultra-fine, super dense, and totally lint-free Japanese microfiber. It's woven in a max performance honeycomb matrix. This cloth offers unparalleled performance on all surfaces. It's perfect for anti-reflective coatings, polarized sunglasses, camera lenses, and touch screens. It's also great for AR/VR headsets and other optical devices. This cleaning cloth is washable and reusable. It outperforms other alternatives, reducing waste while maximizing value. Simply wash it by hand with cold water and mild soap, then hang to air dry. When you choose this product, you're joining a community of millions. They rely on it for their precision lens and device care needs. It's designed for supercharged, long-lasting performance. What we like. This cloth offers unparalleled crystal-clear performance. It is made with Japanese microfiber, ensuring superior cleaning power. If you are looking for a long-lasting and effective cleaning solution, this cloth's durability and reusability make it an excellent investment. What people say. The cloth is very soft and does not scratch the lenses. It cleans the lenses very well and removes all smudges and fingerprints. The size of the cloth is perfect for cleaning glasses. Number 3. eCloth Window Cleaning Kit, Streak-Free Clean. This kit includes everything you need for sparkling clean windows and more. It's designed to make cleaning easier and more effective, leaving surfaces spotless. The microscopic fibers in the window cloth grab dirt and grime. The glass and polishing cloth then creates a streak-free finish. It's a 2-step process for amazing results. Forget disposable sprays and paper towels. This kit is built to last, delivering a streak-free clean wash after wash. Simply toss the cloths in the laundry to reuse them. This cloth is generously sized and lint-free, perfect for large windows. You can also use it on cars, mirrors, glasses, lenses, and TV screens. It's a versatile cleaning solution. The innovative 2-step cleaning process removes 99% of grease and grime. It provides truly spotless, streak-free, and thorough results every time. You'll love the results. Start by dampening the waffle weave window cloth with water. Wipe your surface, then follow up with the dry glass and polishing cloth. It's that simple to achieve a perfect clean. What we like. This kit provides a streak-free clean every time. It is designed to be reusable and washable, saving you money and reducing waste. If you like a simple and eco-friendly cleaning process, this cloth that cleans with just water is perfect for you. What people say. These cloths work really well and don't leave streaks. I just got these cleaning cloths yesterday and was pleasantly surprised by how easy and effective they seemed, by just using water, no less. But it wasn't until the afternoon light came through my kitchen windows and they still looked clear and beautiful, as well as my pendant lights, sliding glass door and the glass doors on my dining room built in, that I was sold on these cloths as the best glass cleaning method ever. You simply dampen the window cleaning cloth and wipe the dirty window and then wipe the same area with the polished cloth. It makes your windows incredibly clean, shiny and streak-free. Number 2. MagicFiber Extra Large Microfiber Cleaning Cloth. This is the MagicFiber cleaning cloth. It's designed to clean a variety of surfaces, from TV screens to glasses. It's perfect for anyone who wants a streak-free clean. Made with high-quality, soft microfiber, it effectively removes dust, smudges, and fingerprints. It leaves no scratches or lint behind, ensuring a perfect clean every time. Each cloth comes in its own poly bag, keeping it clean and ready to use. It stores flat, making it easy to carry in your bag or case. You can safely use it on any delicate surface, including LCD screens, smartphones, and camera lenses. It's the perfect solution for keeping your devices clean. The pack includes 3 oversized 16-inch by 16-inch cloths, ideal for larger surfaces. It also includes a smaller 6-inch by 7-inch cloth for more detailed cleaning. It makes a great gift for anyone with electronics. What we like. This cloth comes in an extra large size, perfect for bigger surfaces. It is made from premium, soft microfiber that leaves no streaks. If you have large screens or multiple devices to clean, this cloth's size and quality will make the job easier. What people say. The cloth is generously sized, making it easy to clean large surfaces without leaving streaks or lint behind. The microfiber material is soft yet effective, gently lifting dust and fingerprints without scratching delicate surfaces. It leaves my glasses completely clear and clean, and I'll definitely be buying these again when I inevitably lose them. Number 1. Care Touch Microfiber Cleaning Cloth, 12-pack. Tired of smudges on your glasses? This cloth removes dirt and dust effectively. It's designed to leave your lenses crystal clear without any streaks or scratches. Worried about damaging your expensive glasses? This cleaning cloth is safe for all types of lenses, coated or not. It offers a gentle, chemical-free cleaning solution for daily use. Made from high-quality microfiber, this cloth traps particles effectively. It ensures a thorough clean, leaving no lint or residue behind. You'll be amazed by its cleaning power. Need a cleaning solution on the go? Each cloth is individually wrapped and measures 6 by 7 inches. It's perfect for use at home, work, or while traveling. More than just for glasses, this cloth works on multiple devices. Use it on camera lenses, phones, tablets, and screens. It's an essential tool for all your cleaning needs. What we like. This cloth provides effective cleaning for your glasses. It is gentle on all lenses, ensuring they remain scratch-free. If you are looking for a convenient and safe cleaning solution for your glasses on the go, this individually wrapped cloth is ideal. What people say. The cloth is very soft and does not scratch the lenses. It cleans the glasses very well and leaves no streaks. The size is perfect for cleaning glasses and sunglasses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.